Most of us assume that swollen ankles are just a frustrating side effect of getting older, standing on our feet for too long, or maybe eating a little too much salt at dinner. But what if those puffy lower legs are actually a desperate SOS from deep inside your body? By the time your liver shows the classic, obvious signs of failure, like a yellowing of the skin or eyes, the damage is often completely irreversible. Swollen ankles can be the very first whisper of a silent disease that is actively destroying your body from the inside out. Stick with me, because today I am revealing the hidden liver warning signs hiding right in plain sight, and ignoring them could cost you everything. 1. The swollen ankle trap. When you notice persistent swelling in your ankles and feet, you are likely looking at a dangerous drop in a crucial protein called albumin. Your liver is the exclusive factory for albumin, which acts like a biological sponge that keeps fluid securely inside your blood vessels. When liver disease or silent cirrhosis begins destroying your liver tissue, that factory shuts down, causing fluid to leak out of your veins and pool in your lower extremities due to gravity. The deadly mistake most seniors make is blaming this on poor circulation or arthritis, often popping water pills to flush out the fluid while completely ignoring the failing organ. Masking this swelling while your liver literally scars over and suffocates is a fatal error that accelerates total liver collapse. 2. The right shoulder referral. Experiencing a dull, throbbing ache in your right shoulder might seem like a simple muscle strain, but it is frequently a neurological alarm bell for a swollen liver. Your liver is encased in a protective capsule that sits right against your diaphragm, which happens to share a direct neurological pathway with the phrenic nerve traveling up to your right shoulder. When a fatty, inflamed, or dying liver enlarges, it physically pushes against the diaphragm, sending a phantom pain signal straight up to your shoulder joint. Aging adults mistakenly assume they simply slept on their arm wrong or tore a rotator cuff, wasting time on physical therapy or painkiller injections. Ignoring this referred pain means you are allowing a swollen, diseased liver to silently march toward permanent cirrhosis, while you rub ointment on a perfectly healthy shoulder. 3. The unexplained bruising. Illusion. Finding mysterious black and blue marks on your arms and legs without ever bumping into anything is a terrifying sign of internal biochemical failure. A healthy liver is responsible for manufacturing clotting factors, which are essential proteins that your blood absolutely needs to patch up microscopic vessel tears and stop bleeding. As liver cells die off and are replaced by useless scar tissue, this critical production line crashes, causing your blood to literally leak under the skin. From the absolute mildest pressure, far too many men and women over 50 write this off as a normal sign of thinning skin, or a harmless side effect of taking a daily baby aspirin. If you are bruising like a peach for absolutely no reason, your internal clotting system is in severe jeopardy, and catastrophic internal bleeding could be just one minor bump away. Your liver is the ultimate silent workhorse, quietly taking a beating and suffering in total silence until it is almost too late to save it. Do not let these subtle whispers turn into a full-blown medical crisis. This video is for educational purposes only. If you find this video helpful and you feel that this information is eye-opening and has the potential to save lives, don't forget to like it and subscribe so you don't miss out on other videos.